AGI Milltec End-to-End Rice Milling Solutions. AGI Milltec rice milling machines are designed to provide higher yield and profitability for the rice millers. Our innovative rice processing solutions minimize the in-process wastage, manpower requirement, and maintain hygienic standards in food processing. We design, manufacture, and supply end-to-end rice milling solutions, including cleaning machines, husking machines, whitening machines, polishing machines, grading machines, sorting machines, and packaging machines. AGI Milltec Classifier. Classifier can efficiently separate oversized and undersized impurities from food grains. The inbuilt self-clean system ensures optimum efficiency during the production cycle. AGI Milltec Classifier is of dust-free operation and angle controller to adjust the angle of throw. AGI Milltec Destoner. Destoner, intended to facilitate the removal of stones from input grains by separating impurities based on their densities. AGI Milltec Destoner are installed with closed-circuit dust aspiration systems. AGI Milltec Pneumatic Sheller. Pneumatic sheller is fully automatic with imported vibro feeder. This machine is capable of attaining up to 95% shelling. An inbuilt cooling system to dissipate heat generated on the rubber rolls. AGI Milltec Tray Separator. Tray patty separator can efficiently separate patty and brown rice by its differential density. The separated products are discharged via 3 separate outlets for brown rice, patty, and a mixture of patty and rice. Rice, brown rice, mixture. AGI Milltec Thickness Grater. AGI Milltec Thickness Grater is used to separate different thickness grains. The material is processed through revolving cylindrical screens that are efficient for separating admixture of oversized or undersized grains. AGI Milltec Rice Whitener. Rice whitener incorporates advanced techniques for whitening of brown rice. The rice whitened very gently between abrasive and metal break, without distracting the original shape of the rice kernel. The bran that is removed after whitening is used for oil extraction. AGI Milltec Silky Polisher. Silky Polisher is used for polishing the rice surface by spraying water. Grains are coated with a fine spray of water, resulting in a high degree of glazing. The Silky Polisher produces rice grains with a shiny surface finish. AGI Milltec Length Grater. AGI Milltec Length Grater is widely used for the separation of broken rice from full rice and long rice. Our length graters enable our customers to separate broken grains from whole grains by passing them through rotating indented cylinders. AGI Milltec Color Sorter. AGI Milltec Color Sorters are accurate and efficient with an excellent sorting capability. Our color sorters are equipped with several features such as maglev technology ejectors, auto sorting control systems, image capturing systems, and capable of storing up to 200 profiles. AGI Milltec Packing Machine. Our packaging equipment allows our customers to pack grains into bags with capacities ranging from 5 kilograms to 75 kilograms. AGI Milltec packaging machines are available in 2 models with single and double dosing options. For more information on AGI Milltec end-to-end rice milling solutions, please contact at toll-free number 1-800-102-8431. Email marketing@milltecmachinery.com.